Hello everybody, Michael Holman here with Curt's Clocks, the Atmos repair specialist, and we've relocated into a new workshop, and I want to give you an idea what it looks like here. Right now we got a temporary sign up for the delivery man. Make sure that the FedEx and UPS guys know where to bring our Atmos clocks. And we'll just go in here and show you what our new office and workshop look like. And this is kind of the office area, and some clocks here waiting to be overhauled. And in our office we have our tree frogs that we had back at the other location. They're Cuban tree frogs. I bought them as tadpoles from Florida, and I got about 20 of them, and now they're huge giant frogs. And here's a frog here, and this one's actually a Minnesota gray tree frog saying hello. And they're kind of our mascots and little buddies for our business here. They like Atmos clocks too. He's really interested in what we're up to today. And anyway, here we have our shelf where they come in and go before I get to overhauling them, and there's a nice Atmos 2 519 there. And here's where we run them and make sure they're keeping time. It was kind of convenient that the landlord gave me this big display. You know, A, he didn't have to move it out and go through the heavy weight of moving such a solid big entertainment center out of here, but B, it works very well for running your clocks. It's a nice big solid case, something that's not gonna vibrate when you walk by it or move around. The only thing is the 519s can't go in there because you have to lift off the lids, so you can only put your 540s and 528s and 526 5s in the big display, and the 519s go on the middle one. I'm going to add some more shelves because I'm really getting quite a few Atmos clocks in here, and then my computer and office stuff here in another nice big oak desk that the landlord so graciously gave me. It's kind of our shipping area. And this is the office stuff, and then in here we have our parts dryer, our homemade parts dryer, little blower and heater in there, and then our rinse and ultrasonic cleaner, which we'll be getting an upgrade, and some parts mess stuff that you'll have to forgive me about. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 work bays at the moment with room for more. And you know, as you can see, you can do 2 clocks on each one if you really want to as well. And so it really is going to increase my capacity for getting these back to people quicker. And also with the case work, you know, the plating and whatnot, we're getting a lot of those, and it will help speed up the return process on those as well. So this is our new workshop in Montgomery, Minnesota. And it's Curt's Clocks, and we're at 304 1st Street, Montgomery, Minnesota, 56069. And we'll end this one by saying goodbye to our buddy Mr. Green. He's a Minnesota gray tree frog. For whatever reason, they call him gray, and he's green. But this is Mr. Green. He's from Minnesota, and he likes his environment with the Cuban tree frogs from the Everglades, Florida. As always, thank you for liking, watching, subscribing, and sharing, and thank you for your interest in Atmos clocks. Take care.